Ahoy, pirates! Today I will be sailing with my friend Arch Phoenix, the best pirate on the seas. And now it is time to start the adventure with the best pirate the world has ever seen. It's because of common sense. We are invading. Yes, of course. Okay, get on. That's. Don't care. Get ready. Get ready to shoot them. Why? You can do it. Then take one. Then take some, I mean. Yeah, take some. Okay. Go! Go, boy! Go, go, go! Shoot him! Should I shoot maybe? Should I shoot? You missed. Can you try to steer? Oh, you hit! Let's go! Can I? Please? Yeah. Turn the ship, turn the ship, turn the ship. Turn in, turn in. We can't shoot them right now. Okay. Yeah, repair. You need to help repair? Or can I still shoot? Because I'm hitting them. They're sniping me. I don't like it. I'm boarding them. I'm boarding them. Both of them are dead. Then get some. They have like no stuff. They have like nothing. Ah! Yeah, I'm alive still. No, they're not. Okay, yes, do that. That's good. My gun is not shooting. One of them is steady. Dead again. Yeah! Good job. They're done, they're done. They sank! GG! YouTube, he says hello. He says hello. Yeah, he did. Let's go. Oh no, I'm looking at you right in the face. Dollar. Let's go. What the hell is a spawn? Shoot. Attack. Shoot. You will be. They hit ore mast. That's okay. Yes, can you steer maybe? Of course we are. We're fighting right now. Of course we're sinking. Yes, you can. I'm coming! Come here. One of them is on. I got it. I'm repairing. You will be okay. One of them's up. I know. I know that they're on our ship. He's dead. We need to move right now. That's what we need to do. Ah! Thank you. Alright. Yeah. Boom. 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 I need you. Yeah. Or is it? Let's sell. The camera, quick! Go! Go! Come on! Get over here! No, right now! You have to do it right now. I have to go like off right now. Do it! Yes!